How to activate Metrobank credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Metrobank credit card. For this, open up any web browser and search for Metrobank card activation. Now click on this link, which is activate card. Now this will take you to the Metrobank official web page. Down below, you have the card activation option. You simply want to enter your details over here. Start by entering your credit card number. Once you have entered the credit card number, next step is to enter the card expiry date. First thing you want to do is select the month. Then you want to select the year. Once that is done, you want to enter the CAPTCHA. For that, simply enter the text that you see in this box. If the text is difficult to understand, click on this link to get a new one. Now, once you have entered all of these details, click on the Proceed option. On this box, you want to click on the OK option. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts and your Metrobank credit card will be activated. Once it has been activated, you will receive a notification via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.